When I first started eating a low sodium diet, I'll be honest, I really struggled. I didn't know what I could eat, and most of the meals I made were just bland. That all changed when I found the 500 15-minute low sodium recipes. This cookbook completely opened my eyes. It gave me so many options from homemade spice mixes and sauces to flavorful sides and full meals that actually taste amazing. What I love most is the variety. There's something for every craving and every mood. I've made the low sodium turkey chili and beef barley soup, and even the broccoli rice casserole, all quick, simple, and packed with flavor. And it doesn't stop there. There are comfort foods like spaghetti Alfredo and turkey meatballs, plus homemade sauces like barbecue, soy, and teriyaki, all low sodium versions you can make yourself. Honestly, this cookbook saved me. It showed me that eating low sodium doesn't have to be boring. You can still eat delicious, satisfying meals without all the salt. If you're just starting a low sodium lifestyle or if you're tired of the same plain meals, I highly recommend 500 15-minute low sodium recipes. It's been a total game changer for me.